Friends, it isn't often that Televes gives me something new to test because the products are so well built they don't need to be changed every year. However, this time they sent me a pair of Mast mounted amplifiers. This is the box they come in. It's fully weatherproof, except for the bottom where the cable comes out. You got a little bit of foam there, and it's got a zip tie built in so you can strap it to a mast. This part slides up and out to reveal the actual device itself. There are two different ones that we're featuring at solidsignal.com. You see, this one here has got two inputs and it's got screws. You got the little provided screwdriver so you can adjust the gain level. These are wideband inputs. They accept VHF and UHF. You also have the ability to turn on power for this, so you can provide power to an amplified antenna if you need even more amplification. I don't know why you would. The power switch, however, is up at the top of the unit in this little slot. I wasn't expecting to see it there, but once you figure out where it is, it's very easy to get to. These amplifiers also come with your Televes stock standard power supply that sits in the home, provides power up the coax cable, so you will need to use coax cable with a solid copper center conductor so that everything works the way it should. You know, I tested these amplifiers and I got a very, very good result out of it. About 27 dB amplification across all the way across the OTA over-the-air frequencies, and no real measurable increase in noise as measured by a change in signal-to-noise ratio. I'll admit I don't have a $100,000 lab at my disposal, and so I test using the same kind of common sense measurements that you do. These Televes amplifiers are solidly built. They will last you probably as long as you have your antenna and longer, and best of all, they are available now at Solid Signal. Choose the one that has two inputs if you need maximum adjustability, or the one that has one input if you just need to add a little bit of amplification to a single antenna.